imgPaster.
Elevate your workflow with our cutting-edge extension for After Effects and Photoshop. Tired of the hassle of saving, dragging and dropping images into your projects? Introducing our game-changing extension available on Scripts. Copy an image while browsing the web, open our extension, and Control-V your way to instant project integration. Our extension enables pasting for transparent PNGs, eliminating the frustration of unsupported clipboard actions. Choose where you save effortlessly. Whether it's your desktop, documents, the project file location, or a custom path, our extension adapts to your preferences. At Scripts, we believe in putting you in control. Enjoy the freedom to set your price and get access to this time-saving, productivity-boosting extension. Experience a smoother, faster creative process. Don't miss out on this transformative tool. Visit scripts.com and take charge of your creative journey now.